how many times have you wondered if you have a slow metabolism or a fast metabolism? I know I wonder about that all the time, so I decided to finally get some answers. Hello everyone, it is Lolita and welcome to Lolita Loves It. On my channel, I give you my honest reviews and recommendations for products and services that you can use in your everyday life and business to, save some money or make some money. And in today's video, we're going to talk about hacking our metabolism. Okay, so just like many of you watching this video, I've always wondered if I had a slow metabolism or a fast metabolism. I mean, I've always had some issues sometimes losing weight, and then when you have issues losing weight, you say, well, I can't lose weight that fast because my metabolism is slow, right? That's what we all say. I know, I've said it a lot, and you hear people say that all the time. Or people who are always super skinny, they're like, well, I can eat what I want because I have a fast metabolism. But do we really know if that's the case, right? So I took it upon myself about a month ago to sit down and start Googling how to test your metabolism rate because I wanted to know what the hell my metabolism was doing. And guys, I came across Lumen, okay? I don't know if you've ever heard about Lumen or not, but Lumen has a device that you can use at home that tests your metabolism. And I was like, yes, send it to me immediately because I need to know what my metabolism is doing. This sounds revolutionary. Guys, here it is. I'm gonna share it with you today. So this is what it looks like when it first gets to you. It has a sleek box in this Lumen, okay? And then, of course, I've already unboxed this, so because I had to test it out immediately. But this is what it looks like right here. Fabulous, very sleek, okay? He says, hello, I'm Lumen. Okay, and then you can take it out, and this is the device that I will be using to test my metabolism. And this is a cap. The cap comes on and off there. And then in the rest of the box here, you open this up and it has your getting started kit. And then it has here the charging base, the charging cable, and then a carrying case, okay? So since I have received this Lumen, I have been practicing with it a little bit so that I can give you guys my honest opinion about it. So in this video, I am actually going to share my cell phone screen because this is controlled by an app. Okay, so you have to download the app, and once you download the app controls the Lumen, essentially. So I'm going to share my cell phone screen with you guys, and I'm gonna walk you through it and show you exactly how it works. But first, I just wanted to let you know that my impression is so far so good. This is a winner, okay? And as we go over it in the app, you're going to see a little bit about what I'm talking about, and then I'll come back at the end and give you my final conclusions about how I feel about Lumen. But I want to share the app with you right now first. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like when you first open the Lumen app. So I want to take a measurement for you, so I'm just going to click measure now. And then it always tells you to sit, relax, and turn on your Lumen. My Lumen is on, so I am going to hit let's go.
Inhale deeply through your Lumen. Hold your breath. Exhale in 3, 2, 1.
So it's going to analyze my breath, and then it's going to have me take one more breath. It gives you a little while, I think about 15 seconds to, catch your breath and get back at it. But there's a countdown at the bottom of the screen. So now it's time for my next breath.
Inhale
and we're going to do it
through
all
your Lumen.
again.
Hold your breath. Exhale in 3, 2, 1.
So this is where it tells me how much carbs or fat I am burning. The goal is to reach lumen level 1 or 2, which means that you're burning fat. Guys, I actually just ate a big breakfast. I had pancakes, I had sausage, I had eggs. So it shows that I am burning primarily carbs right now. But if you were unsure of why you're burning so much carbs or why you're burning fat, then it tells you below, down here, some of the common reasons. So you could still be burning from the previous day carbs, especially if you had like a huge meal the night before, or you binged out on popcorn or whatever the night before, then you're probably still going to be burning. If you ate too much protein, if you ate too many calories, if you just woke up, if you didn't sleep well, if you're feeling stressed, if you're fasting for too long, you can start burning carbs. If you're feeling unwell, if you drank alcohol at night, if you did some late night eating, or if your monthly cycle is about to happen. So that is some really good information here. And when you click on each one of those, it goes into more detail so that you can read more about that. And then I'm going to click next. And it tells me that your body is good at burning carbs. Now let's get it into fat burning mode, guys. That's when fat burning mode is when people feel like they have a fast metabolism, because whenever they eat something, they just burn it right off, right? So I have been trying this out this week. As you see, I have not been doing it every day. I've been very sporadic with checking my metabolism, but I need to get better at checking it more often. And then if you actually are focused on losing weight, or you're focused on trying to figure out what your metabolism is doing, then they have this log that you can enter information into every single day. So you can tell them how many carbs you're eating, how long you've been fasting for, how long you sleep for. The sleep and the steps are automatically estimated because, you know, most of us carry our phones every time we walk and do everything else. As you see, I only took like 1,000 steps yesterday, so I need to do more walking. But you can enter all of your information here, and then I'm sure that it uses this information so that it can help more accurately give you suggestions on what to do to improve your metabolism. So I'm just going to click next. And then, as you see, it is building my daily plan using all of my personalized information. So it comes up with a nutrition plan. If I wanted to follow the nutrition plan, it tells me I need 45 grams of carbs, 111 grams of fat, and 122 grams of protein. And then the breath signature, every time I take a measurement, I guess it gets to know my body a little bit more. So it just wants you to keep doing more measurements. You can do nutrition checkups so that you can personalize your experience. If you did a workout, you can add your workout there. And then, you know, it just keeps you on a roll. Okay, now that you've seen how Lumen works, let me just tell you my thoughts about Lumen. As you saw in the demonstration, I haven't been using it every single day or as often as I should. According to Lumen, you should measure when you first wake up in the morning. You should measure before you eat and after you eat. And then you can also measure randomly throughout the day. But it's just really important to measure before and after you eat. I think because that helps you understand how the food that you're eating is, you know, is affecting your metabolism, essentially. And the way that they say Lumen works is because it measures the carbon dioxide buildup in our bodies. And so that's why it's having us breathe and hold our breath and breathe out again. I can see the definite benefit of lumens. So far, Lolita does love Lumen. I can see how this can be a great tool in your whole exercise and diet plan, okay? Because the other night I had 2 glasses of wine, and the next morning I woke up and I used my Lumen, and my numbers were like 4 or 5. They were pretty high, and I believe it was due to the fact that I drank 2 glasses of wine the night before, and I was still burning off that wine when I woke up the next morning. See, and I never really thought like that until I started seeing my numbers when I use Lumen, and I can see how long certain things stay with me. So I think that when we say we have a fast metabolism or a slow metabolism, that's what we're referring to. How fast does it take for your body to break down the carbs in the food that you previously ate? And using this device, wise, you can accurately see how long that is lasting and how long that is taking. So this is a definite if you want to get serious about your weight loss journey. And as we know, your diet is like what, 70% of your weight loss is all about your diet. If you get this little thing right here, this may help you hack your metabolism, and then you can see some significant changes. So I'm going to keep using this so that I can understand how food is affecting me. And if you guys want to give it a try, use my link in the description list below and leave a comment and let me know, have you tried it? Are you thinking about trying it? What are your reservations for trying it? If you have any questions about Lumen in general, put them in the comments because I can answer them for you. I do review all of my comments, okay? But in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and you want more videos about products and services that can help enhance your life, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification button so that you get notified when I post new videos. Guys, that's it. I hope that you have a great day and I'll see you soon.